Hello, welcome to another podcast of Master Investor. Glad to be here again on another valuable talk on business, money, and investing. My name is Jose. I'm the founder of the company. If you're new to our community, make sure you follow us here in all other social media platforms. Check out the link in the description. Join our inner circle. Get in. We have digital courses and ebooks. Every book that we have written in our company, we have turned it into a digital course so that we can emphasize on that topic. When you get our ebooks from our website, you'll be able to have additional assets that will come with that ebook in the form of videos, exclusive podcasts, tools, resources, documents to help us build that asset column in regards to that specific topic on that book. So get how to build cash flow with the internet, turn passive income on. You can also read them on Amazon. We have them available on Kindle. So if you like to read them there, but the only thing is if you get them in Kindle, you won't have access to the additional assets. So it's better to get it on our website. You have additional assets and you'll be able to download the ebook into your smart device as many times as you want, and always will be grandfathered into any other additional asset that we add into the digital course. So you never have to pay anything else to have access to additional assets, because we are adding more and more assets and the price will change in the future. So get in today. It's a bargain. It's a great deal. Invest in your financial education, because that's the first step. If you truly want to learn how to create sales on autopilot, you need to invest in your financial education so that your money can work for you instead of you working for the money. So today's topic I have for us, we're going to piggyback on everything that we have been talking about this past month. We've been covering all the way from starting a business, getting our first product, launching a landing page or a capture page. There's 3 steps to creating sales, right? Step 1 is having a landing page. Step 2 is having an email autoresponder. And step 3 is have targeted traffic. Today, we're going to focus on that 3rd step, which is targeted traffic. We did a live stream today on our YouTube where we explained and went into detail how to create an ad. And we even launched an ad. We chose the product from ClickBank. We went over to Facebook ad manager account and we created an ad together. So you can duplicate the exact same thing I'm doing to build the email list with clients that are paying me over and over again for products that I'm affiliated with, and also products that Master Investor creates as a company. So start understanding how to position ourselves in the marketplace is literally a science, is an art and science behind using sales funnel systems, right? We talked about that too in our past week, how important and the power of sales funnels so that the customer can purchase on autopilot. We don't have to be there to sell the product to the customer. The systems are selling the product for us. And the services. Remember, we build a business not to work in the business. We build a business so that we can have more freedom. So we work on our business, not in our business. And this is a golden rule that I have today before we dive into today's article, which is harnessing targeted traffic, building passive income through Facebook and beyond. If you'd like to have this in a PDF form, you're welcome to request it. Send us an email. Go to our website, or you can subscribe to our newsletter. When you get to our website, the first link on our first part of our website that you see is subscribe to our newsletter. It's free. When you do so, you'll get emails every time we publish a blog or release an article. Okay? And then the golden rule that I have is an asset puts money in our pocket without us having to work to make the passive income and capital gains income. In other words, an asset is a sound business or an investment that is composed of a system of systems. Harnessing targeted traffic, building passive income through Facebook and beyond. In the digital age, the dream of earning passive income has become more attainable than ever before, thanks to power of targeted advertising on platforms like Facebook and other ad channels. With the right strategy, businesses and individuals can leverage these platforms to reach their ideal audience, drive traffic, and generate passive income streams. In this article, we will explore how to harness targeted traffic effectively to build passive income through Facebook and other ad channels. Understanding targeted traffic. Targeted traffic refers to the audience segment that is most likely to be interested in our package in our product, or service. Rather than casting a wide net and hoping for conversions, targeted traffic allow us to focus our advertising efforts on reaching those who are most likely to convert, thereby maximizing the efficiency and effectiveness of our campaigns. Leveraging Facebook advertising. Facebook, with its vast user base and advanced targeting capabilities, is a goldmine for wealthy entrepreneurs who has the wealthy mindset. We're developing the wealthy mindset here inside of our community, right? That's what we're doing right now. Looking to generate passive income. Here's how to make the most of Facebook advertising. 1. Audience targeting. Utilize Facebook's robust targeting options to home in on our ideal audience based on demographics, interests, behaviors, and more. By reaching the right people with the right message, we can increase the likelihood of conversions and maximize ROI. Number 2, engaging creatives. Capture attention with visual appealing and engaging in creatives, including images, videos, and carousels ads. Compelling visuals paired with concise, persuasive copy can entice users to click through and learn more about our offers. Number 3, retargeting. Implement retargeting campaigns to re-engage users who have previously interacted with our brand but haven't converted. By staying top of mind with personalized ads, we can nurture leads and guide them towards making a purchase or taking a desired action. And if we capture those leads right, that way we have an opportunity to send them the email campaign and educate them. That's what we're going to be doing, and give them value through our email campaign. And we're going to show you exactly how to do that by simply utilizing systems in copywriting professionally done, right? We have a code, you copy that code into the email responder and it populates the entire campaign already created for us. A campaign that works, that have closed millions of dollars. Okay, we need to get great at copywriting. We're going to show you how to do that. We're going to break it all down. We're going to show you exactly how to create the sales funnels from scratch so that you can have leads coming through that sales funnels, and we're going to show you how to maintain those leads on alert about whatever we're selling in a professional manner, in a smart way, so that we're giving them value and they see us as an authority. And we're going to show you exactly how to do that in all of our podcasts and live streams that we're doing. We're literally breaking down the master investor core values, the wealthy mindset, the skills, everything that is needed in order to create that type of lifestyle, because it is a lifestyle. It's a way of thinking about money, what we do with money, how we approach it, and everything that we're speaking about right now. Number 4, testing and optimization. Continuously test different ad creatives, headlines, targeting options, and CTAs to identify what resonates best with our audience. Analyze performance metrics such as CTR, conversions rate, and ROAS to refine our strategies and optimize campaign performance over time. Exploring other ad channels. While Facebook is a powerful platform for advertising, it is essential to explore other ad channels to diversify our traffic sources and maximize our reach. Here are a few alternatives ad channels to consider. Number 1, Google Ads. Tap into Google's vast network of search and display advertising to reach users actively searching for products or services related to our niche. With keyword targeting and vetting strategies, we can attract highly relevant traffic and drive conversions. Number 2, Instagram ads. Leverage Instagram's visually driven platform to showcase our products or services to a highly engaged audience. With seamless integration with Facebook's ad platform, we can easily extend our reach and target users based on their interests and behaviors. By the way, when we create a Facebook ad, it automatically gets posted, if we wish, on Instagram Okay, so you will see when I'm creating an ad on Facebook, I have it set where it shows on Instagram. So when we preview the ad before we launch it, we always do it. You can see how it's going to look on Instagram. So it's super simple at the end of the day. That's my point. Okay, literally anyone can do this. It's easy to duplicate. We just need to sit down and actually put the systems together. Number 3, LinkedIn ads. If we are targeting a B2B audience, LinkedIn offers a unique opportunity to connect with professionals and decision makers in our industry with targeting options tailored to business demographics and job titles. We can reach the right audience with our message. 4, native advertising. Explore native advertising platforms like Taboola, Taboola, and Outbrain to promote our content in a non-disruptive manner. By seamlessly integrating our ads into the user experience, we can capture attention and drive traffic to our website or landing pages. Building passive income streams. Once we have attracted targeted traffic to our website or landing pages, the next step is to monetize that traffic and generate passive income. Here are a few strategies to consider. Number 1, affiliate marketing. Partner with other businesses or brands and promote their products or services through affiliate links. Earn a commission for every sale or referral generated through our affiliate links. Number 2, display advertising. Monetize our website or blog by displaying relevant ads from ad networks like Google AdSense. Earn revenue based on ad impressions or clicks generated by our traffic. Number 3, digital products. Create and sell digital products such as ebooks, online courses, or software downloads. Once created, digital products can be sold repeatedly without the need for ongoing effort or maintenance. So if you have a skill or a passion and you are great at it, or you want to become even better, then writing a book about it would be great. Way to do some research and compose some chapters, and we also show you how to do that here, how to set up your own ebook and launch it, right, and create your own products. So if you like to share that, eventually you can get to make sales right now using affiliate programs, and then at the same time you can create your own product, and once that's ready you can launch it on your site. Okay. Number 4, membership sites. Launch a membership site or subscription-based service offering premium content, resources, or exclusive community access. Generate recurring revenue from members who subscribe to access our offerings. And today we see like Patreon, and we have many, even Twitter, and all these platforms are Instagram. Now we can subscribe. They're integrating that into the websites which we use. Instagram is a website at the end of the day. Yeah, it's an application, but it's a website indeed. When you go into your desktop, you have to go to Google and you go to the, to the browser, and then unless you have the app on your desktop. But my point is that we're using a website all the time. We need to learn how to capitalize on it. Don't just use it to see other people's pictures or whatever. Use it to produce and create a fortune, right? Create the type of fortune that you're looking for in your life. What's the lifestyle that you want to create? What would be the ideal scene? And then from there, we're going to reverse engineer. Conclusion: targeted advertising on platforms like Facebook and other ad channels offers a powerful means of building passive income streams online by leveraging advanced targeting capabilities, engaging creatives, and strategic optimization techniques. Businesses and individuals can attract highly relevant traffic and monetize it effectively, whether through affiliate marketing, display advertising, digital products, or membership sites. The key lies in understanding our audience, delivering value, and continuously refining our strategies to maximize revenue generation. With persistence, creativity, and a data-driven approach, the potential for building sustainable passive income streams through targeted advertising is virtually limitless. And that is right. I also show today on a live stream that we were out getting over 700 clicks in a little over 2 days in one ad that I posted literally 2 days ago. It's been running for like a day because I had corrected something in the morning and I noticed that. So let's say in 2 days has created over 1,000 click links, meaning that people have landed on my capture page, 1,000 people. And from those 1,000 people, let's say we did the math with once they all come in, out of the 1,000 people, let's say only 13, right? Only 13 buy, and the product is $49. Do the math, and that's an ad that I launched in less than 5 minutes, and it's costing me less than 1 cent, like 0.0653 cents per click, per lead. So per click on the link. So that would be like just click on the link, and then out of that, let's say 50 people comes in through the capture page, and out of the 50 people, 13 people buy the $50 product, and maybe of course more products. So I showed you how easy it is to get that lead, that customer that wants that product that we have. We need to understand how to do targeted traffic by utilizing Facebook ads settings that they have in there, because they literally give us their behavior, their interests, what do they do, where do they like to shop, what kind of individual is our client, okay, or the person that we want to buy our product, because they need our product. It's not that we're going to hard sell, it's that they need our product, and we're just going to put it in front of them using systems so they can grab, buy, and repeat again. And that is called marketing, smart marketing. Bringing you the good and bad news of money, the business principles of working on economies. I appreciate your time once again in your business. Go to our website, link in the description. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll come back and answer. I'm always checking. And I'll talk to you later tomorrow. If you want, go to YouTube and watch the live stream and create an ad. You can just fast forward right to the part where I'm creating an ad. You can just choose a product on ClickBank. If you never set up your account on ClickBank, it'll take you less than 5 minutes. Choose a product and create an ad, and start collecting those emails and send people to those landing pages so that they can convert. Those landing pages are made for us already, so they're highly performance landing pages. They're made by experts. So when you go to those landing pages from ClickBank, when you click on the product and you click on the link where we're going to be sending the leads are coming in, then those landing pages are amazing. They're professionally done. So go check it out, create that account there, and begin to put the systems in place, okay? Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll talk to you later. Stay great and wealthy. Remember the golden rule that I said earlier. Don't forget it, okay? We're here every single day, but the golden rule is this, because I'm going to repeat it maybe on another podcast, but I want you to remember this. An asset puts money in our pocket without us having to work to make that passive income and capital gains income. In other words, an asset is a sound business or an investment that is composed of a system of systems, okay? The business needs to make money without us being involved, okay? Once we set it up, it's supposed to make us money over and over again on autopilot, and we oversee the operation. Because we want to focus on something else, we can't be involved in the business like an employee. We need to have systems in place. So it's a system of systems. All right. Bye for now.